Regular chocolate chip cookies are good, but these, we're taking them up to the next level with brown butter and 3 different types of chocolate chunks. These cookies right here are the kind you will never ever forget. With it now being fall, this is one of the perfect treats for you to make, especially if you want to snuggle up in your blankie with some good hot coffee or some tea. This cookie is going to go perfect with that. Or if it's a cool day, you can always enjoy this cookie whenever. So let's go ahead and get into browning the butter. Over medium heat, we're going to add in our 2 1/4 sticks of butter. Now, usually the recipe calls for 2 sticks of butter, but we are doing 2 sticks and 1/4 because when you make brown butter, you are cooking out the milk solid and a lot of the moisture evaporates in it. And so the volume of the butter you get greatly reduces. And so that's why you always do a little bit more butter when you're trying to make brown butter because, like I said, the volume will reduce since you're cooking out the milk solid and all the moisture. And we're just gonna cook this over medium heat for a few minutes. We are letting this butter melt on down, and then we want the milk solids inside the butter to start cooking so that they can turn that golden nutty brown color. So when butter boils, what's really popping is the moisture and the milk solid inside the butter. And so we're just gonna take our time cooking this, keeping it stirred. We do not want the milk solids to burn. We just want them to caramelize and brown. And that's how you get that delicious brown butter. And once the milk solids is all cooked, this is what we're looking for. This brown color right here, this amber golden color. And y'all, want to tell you, this brown butter smells so good right now. The milk solids are cooked down. They are browned off. So let's go ahead and put this into a container. We are going to let this cool off some. And while the brown butter is cooling down, let's get to working on our dry ingredients. So we got our all-purpose flour going in the bowl, cornstarch, baking soda, and salt. Give that a nice little whisk. And that's our dry ingredients. Now it's time for sugars and brown butter. So I got white sugar right here, brown sugar. Go ahead and dump that on in. I like to most times go ahead and break it on up and get it mixed together some. Sugar's mixed together. Now let's add in that brown butter goodness. And we gotta make sure we get out all those toasted milk bits as well. Brown butter in. Now let's get to mixing. When you mix brown butter into sugars like this, most times it's gonna end up looking like this because if you're used to making cookies, then you'll see that when you mix in regular butter, sugars, and you mix it all together, like it actually combines together really well and like it'll aerate it and everything with brown butter. You kind of get this. If you see this, it is okay. Like this is usually how it is with brown butter. Like it is okay. Brown butter mixed in. Now we have 1 whole egg and an egg yolk. So let's go ahead and toss those on in. And putting in the egg, now you're starting to see that consistency that you usually would in the beginning. And now you mix it all together. And y'all know usually, man, I will be using a mixer by now. I decided to give y'all the by hand version. So I'm flicking that wrist today for y'all. Putting in that arm strength for you. Adding in the vanilla. Now we can start mixing in the dry ingredients. And just start folding that on in. And once you are all done mixing, this is how your cookie dough is going to look. Oh, y'all, this cookie dough looks good already, just the way it is. But now let's go ahead and chop up our 3 chocolates that we are doing to put into this cookie dough. And of course, you should already know the main chocolate we use, that we always use, is good old Ghirardelli. And so I have 60% cocoa, white chocolate, and I have the Ghirardelli milk chocolate chips. These are our 3 chocolates that are going inside the cookie. So this is the triple chocolate cookie. The triple chocolate chip. Hold on, let me try that again. This is what's going inside to make the brown butter triple chocolate chip cookie. There we go. And we literally just got the 2 bars stacked on top of each other. So that way chopping can be easier. So we're just gonna start cutting this on down. And in a way, this also help go ahead and mix up the chocolate a little bit as well. In our cookie dough, let's go ahead and add in the 60% in the white chocolate and the milk chocolate. Give that a good mix and work it on in. And after some more muscle grease later, here go our cookie dough, our triple chocolate chip cookie dough, all mixed in. Now let's go ahead and get these scooped out onto a sheet tray. Start scooping, pack it up, and plop it onto the tray. Yeah, everyone, there's lots of chocolate mixed in to this dough. These are gonna be good. Kind of help pack it in to help keep it shaped. And just plop it onto the cookie sheet. And now we're gonna fill this up and I'll be right back. Cookie dough balls are all made. Now we are gonna stick these in the fridge for the next 30 minutes to an hour. All right, they sat in the fridge for about a good hour and this is how they look chilled. Look at this. Y'all see those chocolate just mixed all throughout it. So now let's go ahead and start baking these off in the oven. So we are gonna bake these at 350 degrees in a preheated 350 degree oven for the next 12 minutes. And once the cookies come off the oven, we put them on the cooling rack. And this is how they look. Perfectly golden brown, nice and spread out. They look delicious. This chocolate looks so melted on the inside. I can't wait to try one. Hold on, let me put this up close for y'all, just so that y'all can see. They look great. So we are gonna let these cool down for a bit, then we can finally be able to bust it wide open and try them out. All right, here we are at the end of the video, and now let's try a cookie. So just look at this cookie, y'all. Just look at this cookie. Doesn't that look amazing? Here go the triple chocolate chunk or triple chocolate chip cookie, brown butter. All three types of chocolate all up in that cookie. It's moist, so let's go ahead and try a bite. Absolute cinema. Absolute, ooh, hold on, one more bite. When I say that brown butter flavor in this cookie is so deep, that flavor is deep all off in this cookie. You can taste it in every bite. Then paired with the salt and the three chocolates, it sets it all just right. If you're gonna make this cookie, or if you're gonna make a cookie, this is the cookie to make right here. This brown butter triple chocolate chunk brown butter triple chocolate chunk cookie. There we go. Brown butter. I give up. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video to help start off our fall season. I know I enjoyed this video, and hopefully you make this recipe as well, and let me know when you make this recipe. But first, before you do anything, make sure you like this video, comment down below, and you subscribe to the channel, and you share this video, and turn on post notifications. It might seem like I'm asking for a lot, but I'm not. But I still love and thank each and every one of you that is still here to this day with me. I love all the support. Y'all help make this happen. Like, y'all help me get to where I'm at, and I'm forever grateful and I'm forever thankful for that. I'll see you in the next video, and stay tuned because I do got a big announcement coming. So peace, and I love you all.